Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Chickasaw County in northeastern Mississippi, southern Itawamba County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Lee County in northeastern Mississippi, Monroe County in northeastern Mississippi, until 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shannon to near Palo Alto, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Amory, Aberdeen, Okolona, Cheyenne, Smithville, Prairie, New Wren, Nettleton, Hatley, Gatman, Quincy, Turin, Egypt, Wise Gap, Wren, Strong, Macondi, Malden, Leotis, and Binford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Chickasaw, Itawamba, Lee, and Monroe.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.